Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako po si Anthony Isabel G. Ferrer ng Grade 4 Section Kings. Ako po ay tumatakbo bilang presidente ng Supreme Elementary Learners Government or SELG. I will serve to represent and be a voice of the students of EM Signal Village Elementary School. Nais ko pong ipaalam sa inyo ang aking mga katangian at kakayahan kung bakit ako ang karapat-dapat na iboto bilang presidente ng CELG. Una po sa lahat, ako po ay responsableng mag-aaral. I have been a consistent honor student since kindergarten. Pangalawa, ako ay maaasahan at mapapagkakatiwalaan. I have been an officer since grade 2, either as a president or a vice president. I am always willing to help my classmates and help our teachers during school activities. At higit sa lahat, ako po ay may takot sa Diyos at may respeto sa magulang at sa mga nakakatanda. I will always strive to be a role model to other kids and also believe in the golden rule. Magkakaroon ng madaming programa para sa mag-aaral na katulad mo. Ilan sa mga ito ay ang mga student activities, kagaya ng viewing of educational films, so you students can still have fun while learning. I also promote anti-bullying campaigns because everyone deserves a safe space to study and should always be treated with respect. So vote Team Faith, focusing in academics, individuality, trust, and honesty. So vote straight, vote Team Faith.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay si Estela Rain F. Tumala sa 4 Kings at tumatakbo bilang Vice President sa aming SELG campaign. Magbibigay ako ng mga rason kung bakit ako ay angkop para sa posisyong ito. Una, ako ay mabait at magalang sa aking kapwa mga kaklase at sa aking mga guro. Pangalawa, kung pwede, magsasuggest ako sa aking mga teammates na magdagdag ng mga other curricular activities kagaya ng basketball, badminton, at iba pang sports. At panghuli naman ay gagawin ko ang aking makakaya upang maging mabuting leader sa inyong lahat.
Good day, everyone. My name is Ira Nicole H. Viaras, running of the position of Secretary under the Section Kings. I may not a perfect person, but I will do my very best to give the best service I can offer to all to my co-students. Sana po ay mabigyan niyo po ako ng pagkakataon na mapatunayan ang aking sarili sa inyo. Hindi ko po bibiguin ang inyong suporta at tiwala. Muli po, ako po si Ira Nicole H. Viaras, tatakbo bilang isang secretary ng Section Kings.
I'm Isabella Marie G. Morbos from 4 Kings, running as CELG Secretary. As Secretary, I will promote 5 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, repair, and rot. I also support anti-bullying campaign in our school.
Hello everyone! Asam dito all of us. I am Zari Misaima Bansag, grade 4 section Kings. 3 reasons why I am running for treasurer. Number 1, I want to challenge myself in what I can do at my very young age. Number 2, I want to be a responsible individual. Number 3, this class will help me to make this happen. In Tagalog po, tiwala at pangangalaga sa ating kaban ay mapapazayon na. Vote sa Misaima Bansag for treasurer. Thank you po.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Isabella M. Sebastian from Grade 4 Kings. Serving is what I love to do because it magnifies God's goodness to Him, to her, and to all of us. Please do vote for me as an auditor, and I vow to do my best to execute my duty. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Aika Benice Lakas. This is the aspirant from Grade 4 Section Kings. I am running for PIO. I am humbly asking for support to please vote for us.
I'm not into promises, for sometimes it's meant to be broken. Let my actions do the talk. I am full of excitement to be the chosen candidate from school year 2024 to 2025. As it returns, you can always count on me in serving our school. On behalf of my fellow learners, I will make sure that our little voices will be heard. Thank you.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Yasi Pilotos mula sa Section Grade 4 Kings. Ako ay tumatakbo bilang PIO or Public Information Officer. Handang-handa na kayo ay tugunan, gagawin ang makakaya para sa katahimikan at kapayapaan ng ating paaralan. Muli po, Yasi Pilotos ang iyong guardian angel!
Hey everyone, I'm super excited to be running for grade level representative. At meron akong mga awesome ideas to make our school even better. I believe that now, more than ever, our school community needs a voice that advocates for kindness, collaboration, and unity. Sa journey natin together, I have a vision for the school, and each of us, regardless of our background or circumstance, treats one another with kindness and respect. Speaking of kindness, imagine niyo na our school was like a napakasarap na adobo. Everyone's different, but together, we make something awesome. I want to make sure we all treat each other with kindness no matter what. At the end of the day, tayo ang laging magkakasama, kaya dapat nagkakaisa. To achieve this vision, I propose initiatives to make sure we're all friends, not just in our own classrooms, but across sa lahat ng grade level. Magkakaroon tayo ng regular interaction, fun events, and activities that bring us together and make us feel like one big family. And what about a cool new thing called One Arc Campaign, an initiative to recognize and celebrate acts of kindness within our school. Every month, we can vote for someone in our class who's super nice and give them a special award. Spreading kindness like a good virus. Ang tawag natin sa special awards na ito ay SVES One Arc Awards. Last but not the least, gusto kong tumulong to bridge the gap between students and teachers. We want to make sure we can talk to our teachers about anything. We have special times where we can share our thoughts and feelings with them, and they can share theirs with us. It's like having heart-to-heart chats sa ating mga mahal na teachers. So, yun lang po. Remember, when it's time to vote, don't just vote for me, vote for us. Vote for all the awesome things we can do together to make our school the best it can be. Salamat!